A snake and a bear have made headlines across Metro Detroit, but try as they might to scare people,
we found them to be quite friendly and funny on Twitter. Two high-profile animals causing quite a buzz online. Both the bear spotted in Dexter and the snake on the loose at Addison Oaks Park in northern Oakland County are making fans and becoming friends with each other. Both have Twitter accounts, tweeting each other and their growing number of fans. The snake, known as @AddisonOaksBoa on Twitter, says he's harmless and looking for a girlfriend, asking his followers for a ride to Somerset Collection in Troy to pick up a shirt at Saks. In one tweet he writes, quote, "Just saw the new 2011 Mustang Cobra here in the park. Car is hot. It makes my skin crawl." Not to be outdone, the bear's profile says he's looking for honey and companionship, and he's got a place up north. And while it looks like he's enjoying the attention, he tweeted, quote, "What's up with all the paparazzi publishing pictures of me without clothes?" He's also asking for recommendations on places to visit. One of his fans asks him to give him a heads up when he hits his neighborhood. The unlikely duo aren't just reaching out to their followers, but to each other as well. The bear writing to the snake, "Enjoying your freedom? By the way, watch out for the Michigan DNR. They're not our friends." The snake asking people to support his pal and to follow another friend on the loose, the Dexter Bear. And they're getting a little fresh as well. They've been flirting with our producer, Sarah.
Wow. I love that.
She's been
The
flirting
boa,
back.
I think so. And the boa said he's looking for a date,
Yeah, exactly.
so.
And Sarah's single.
All right, well, let's move to